Hi there, my name's Renee. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I'm going to do a very short and quick tutorial on masking. You will need the stamp that you're going to mask off. You will need a stamp that you want to stamp over the top of that stamp. You need a sticky notelet, a pair of scissors, and obviously some ink. And what you do first of all is you take your stamp and you ink it up and stamp it where you want it to be. Today I'm using one of the beautiful U stamps, and this is it. Absolutely gorgeous. I love these stamps. So you stamp that onto your paper, and secondly ink it back up again. Take one of your notelets off, and the notelets have got a sticky area at the top, and that's the part we want to keep so we can stamp onto her. I'm being a bit frugal, I'm just cutting that in half because we don't need all of that. And then all you do is you stamp this lady into the place on the sticky notelet. Okay, that'll do for me. And then just do a quick cut around her. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a quick rough mask off. Like I say, it really doesn't have to be exactly. And the thing about this is you can keep this piece of paper if you intend doing the technique over and over again. So you just basically place that down on top of her, there, where you want it to go. Make sure it's all covered over. The other stick that I'm going to use today, the other stamp, is Mediterranean Moments. This is a beautiful set as well. Ink that stamp up. And then turn it over, move that out of your way, and then put the stamp over the lady. So when you bring the stamp down, there we go. Make sure all the stamps touch your paper, and then just remove her from there, and then she's masked. That's how easy it is. It's a very, very quick tutorial. And the thing is, you can colour her in, you can use your inks to paint her. You can use your colouring pens. You can do it any way you want, or you can just simply leave her the way that she is. Very, very easy. Hope you enjoyed that. And please tune in for some of my more quick tutorials. Thank you. Thanks for watching.